viewers, the budget session of the parliament is underway and today is an important one. After the fiery address by the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to reply to the motion of thanks to the president's address in the Lok Sabha. In his reply, Rahul Gandhi had launched a scathing attack on the Modi-led NDA government at the centre, from calling the Make in India project a failure to saying that China is inside our territory, to even slamming the centre for not giving a clear answer on unemployment. Rahul Gandhi took a dig at the president's address as well, saying that it's the same speech every single year. Remember, earlier he had called president's address boring. He was fact-checked on a lot of these issues by Union Minister Kiren Rijiju. We get you all of those details of what happened. Take a look.
Yesterday, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji gave a alternative vision for India's protection story, and he articulated the proposals on different kind of issues. He spoke about AI, he spoke about the other caste census, all these kind of things. We hope that Prime Minister Modi behaves like Prime Minister and speaks on that subjects. Instead of doing the Delhi elections, we all hope that Prime Minister will give a Prime Minister speech, not the Delhi elections.
मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स पे प्रधानमंत्री जो है 5 बजे पार्लियामेंट में बोलेंगे, किस तरीके से देखते हैं? क्योंकि बीजेपी का ये कहना है कि वो राहुल गांधी ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया उसके ऊपर वो काउंटर अटैक करेंगे।
बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे। अभी लिख लीजिए मेरी बात, बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी ने जो बोला है ना उसका जवाब ही नहीं है उनके पास। वो मना कर देंगे कि 4,500 वर्ग किलोमीटर जमीन के ऊपर कब्जा नहीं हुआ। कब्जा हुआ है, मौके पर दिखाई दे रहा है।
सर, सोनिया गांधी के बयान के ऊपर भाजपा के सांसदों ने ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज नोटिस दिया है राज्यसभा चेयरमैन जगदीप धनखड़ को।
मैं समझ ही नहीं पाता किस बात का ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज। सदन में तो उन्होंने कुछ कहा नहीं, सदन के बाहर अगर कुछ कहा है तो बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है। मैं समर्थन करता हूं प्रियंका जी की बातों का। उन्होंने यही तो कहा है ना कि बेचारी 1 घंटे बोल रही थी, तो ये ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज है या एक हम उम्र महिला का उनकी प्रशंसा में कहे गए हैं? मैं तो सोनिया गांधी की इस बात को राष्ट्रपति की प्रशंसा से जोड़ता हूं। ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज लाना है, मजबूर न करें हमें। तो ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज और अपमान तो राष्ट्रपति जी का तब हुआ था जब यह राज्यसभा संसद भवन का उद्घाटन होना था और संवैधानिक मुखिया के रूप में वर्तमान राष्ट्रपति को आमंत्रित नहीं किया गया। अगर करना है, ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज लाना है और सच बोलने की जरा भी हिम्मत हो तो 22 जनवरी को जब
I think Rahul raised some relevant points regarding Maharashtra polls, regarding Jaishankar's visit to the US to persuade the US to invite Modi, and failure of India in the matter of manufacturing. I think the government ought to answer them.
राहुल गांधी जी पिछले 2-3 सालों में हर समय ओबीसी, एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी ये बात करते रहते हैं। देश का सबसे बड़ा ओबीसी का चेहरा खुद प्रधानमंत्री है, वो दिखता नहीं उसको, और वो दुनिया का सबसे पॉपुलर नेता है आज के दिन में, वो दिखता नहीं है। राहुल गांधी जी अंधे हो गए क्या कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का चेहरा को वो दिखाई नहीं देते हैं? सबसे बड़ा ओबीसी का चेहरा है।
I said it, बहुत ही मतलब उन्हें और कुछ काम नहीं रह गया है। इन लोगों को सिर्फ कुछ ना कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा कहना है, बस दैट्स ऑल, नथिंग। उन्हें ये भी नहीं पता होता वो कह क्या रहे हैं, उसका क्या मतलब क्या निकलता है। बहुत दुख होता है मुझे I feel pity on them basically.
So let's now give you the highlights of what Rahul Gandhi spoke in the parliament yesterday and how he was countered by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju.
When we talk to the United States, we would not send our foreign minister to invite our prime minister to his coronation. We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our prime minister.
He is making an unverified statement about invitation of the prime minister of our country. It's not our dignity. How can you make such kind of statement? He is leader of opposition.
The prime minister has denied it. The Prime Minister has denied it, and the army has disagreed with the Prime Minister that China is sitting on 4,000 square kilometers of our land.
कैसे मजाक बात कर सकते हैं? अपना मनमोहन कहानी आप बना के बोल रहे हैं। ये तो बहुत सीरियस मामला।
OBCs, you have 50% of the population, and you have absolutely no power. I know that you're sitting there and you cannot even open your mouth. That is the truth of the country.
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है।
जाति जनगणना,
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है क्या?
आर्किटेक्चर,
आप अंधे हो गए हैं क्या?
revolution
देश का सबसे बड़ा चेहरा नहीं दिखता है। ये अंधेरा हो गया है।
पार्लियामेंट में है।
ये कुछ दिखता नहीं है।
My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, Rahul Gandhi had made several points on the floor of the House, which was countered by many of the union ministers right there. So fact-checking Rahul Gandhi. But today, in just about 2 hours from now, Prime Minister Modi is also expected to respond to the president's address. So showdown and a big speech, of course, expected. What are the Prime Minister's words going to be? What is he going to speak about? And is he going to counter Rahul Gandhi? Would be interesting to see.
Well, one thing I would certainly tell you, many of the BJP leaders are looking forward to hear from the Prime Minister because they know that this is a very big counter that will be coming from the Prime Minister on the speech that has been given by Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now, there are many points that Prime Minister is likely to be countering him on regarding the manufacturing sector, regarding the production and regarding the consumption. In fact, there could be probably a comparative of what has happened in UPA time and what has happened in 10-15 years of Modi government, and there could be a blame also to be given to UPA government and Congress government how they did not fast track the development and growth, industrial growth in the country. Apart from that, Prime Minister certainly would be speaking about countering Rahul Gandhi on this charge of China and making every debate about China and US and how they are doing better, faring better than India. Apart from that, Prime Minister will be focusing, in fact, I would say, on the achievement of his government, because this is what was under attack from Leader of Opposition during his speech. Not just that, a counter on Constitution, a point that was made by Rahul Gandhi at the end of the speech would also be coming from the Prime Minister, is what we are hearing. And apart from that, it will be a very sharp reaction that we'll be hearing from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we know that tomorrow is also Delhi elections.
Yes.
So something to look forward to, vis-a-vis
So
Prime
highlighting
Minister.
the achievements of the government while also speaking about and countering the charges that have been made by Rahul Gandhi, which the BJP has already said is completely unsubstantiated. Pragya, for the moment, thank you for joining us. Quick break. We'll be right back.